Selling shouldn't feel this heavy. If you've ever hovered over post and then deleted it, if you've ever wanted the income but not the visibility, if you've ever thought, I'm just not good at sales, I need you to hear this. You don't hate selling. You hate what selling feels like in your body. And today we're going to unpack that. Because if you're a single mom or a woman building income online and affiliate marketing sounds simple in theory, but terrifying in practice, there is a reason. And it's not because you're weak. It's because your nervous system is doing its job. Before we dive in, if you want weekly trainings that help you build income without losing your integrity, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm here every week helping you build confidence and cash flow in a way that actually feels aligned. All right, let's talk about why selling triggers fear. First, survival wiring. Your brain is not designed for Instagram. It's designed for tribes. Thousands of years ago, being excluded from the tribe meant danger. No protection, no food, no belonging. So your brain evolved to prioritize acceptance. Now fast forward to 2026. You're not facing exile. You're facing a Facebook post. But your brain doesn't know the difference. When you hit publish, your brain goes, what if they judge you? What if they think you're annoying? What if they reject you? And your nervous system responds with tension. That's not weakness, that's biology. Second, people-pleasing conditioning. Many women were rewarded for being agreeable, for being easy, for being helpful, for not rocking the boat. So when sales requires you to state a price, hold a boundary, and ask for a decision, it feels like conflict. And if conflict equals danger in your body, you freeze. Now add past experiences. Maybe you've been manipulated before. Maybe someone pressured you into buying something. Maybe you've seen sleazy sales tactics online. So now your brain says sales equal manipulation, and you don't want to become the villain in someone else's story. But here's the truth. Manipulation and service are not the same thing. Manipulation uses pressure, service uses clarity. Manipulation says if you don't buy this, you'll fail. Service says this helped me. If it helps you too, amazing. Manipulation removes choice, service empowers choice. And the energy difference, massive. Affiliate marketing at its core is referral income. You already recommend things, books, tools, kitchen gadgets, apps, products that make your life easier. Affiliate marketing simply tracks that recommendation. There's no recruiting required, no inventory, no stocking products in your garage, no becoming someone you're not. It's sharing what works. But fear makes it dramatic. Fear says, what if they think you're using them? Wisdom says, if it serves them, they'll thank you. Now let's go deeper. Selling feels heavy when it's chaotic. If you're trying to promote 10 things to 5 audiences with no structure, of course it feels overwhelming. Simplicity removes pressure. One offer, one audience, one system. That's it. You don't need 17 income streams. You need one aligned starting point. And you need to detox the belief that earning equals selfishness. Provision is not greed. If you are a single mom building income, you are not chasing luxury. You're chasing breathing room, stability, security, options. And hiding does not produce provision. Selling doesn't make you pushy. Hiding keeps you broke. I say that with love because I've lived it. I've deleted posts, undercharged, over-delivered, and then resented it. The breakthrough came when I realized confidence is not the absence of fear. It's shorter recovery time. You might still feel nervous, but you don't let it run the show. So here's what I want you to do this week. Notice when your body tightens before you share. Instead of judging it, say, "Thank you for trying to protect me." Then post anyway. Not aggressively, not desperately, clearly, calmly, honestly. And if you want help with this, if you want something tangible to walk you through choosing your first affiliate offer and rewiring your selling mindset, I created a free resource called the Affiliate Starter and Fearless Selling Bundle. It includes guided PDFs and an audio training to help you choose your first aligned affiliate link, understand how to share without pressure, reframe selling as a service, and you can get it by joining my free school community, the Empower Collective. The link is in the description. And before you go, I want to hear from you. What part of selling feels the heaviest right now? Is it fear of judgment, fear of rejection, fear of being seen? Drop it in the comments. You are not broken. You are wired for belonging. And we're just teaching your nervous system that visibility is safe. And you can build income without betraying yourself. I'll see you in the next video.